Diamond is perceived more than just a jewelry. It's a symbol of love. No matter how poor a man is, if you can get him to believe that an ultimate gesture of love a man can give a woman is by buying her the biggest diamond that he can get his hands on. Did you ever wonder why you feel forced to propose or accept a proposal with a diamond ring? Or you feel victim to one of the most successful marketing campaign ever? We'll leave it to you to decide. Today in this video, we will visit one of the diamond factory here in Dubai. Every piece of diamond jewelry is clearly crafted by extremely competent craftsmen to become the image of affection that lasts forever. The very opening move is jewelry design. With advanced AutoCAD technology, sky is the limit for boosting your creativity in terms of jewelry design. The next step is creation of wax model. The wax is formed by injecting liquefied wax into a rubber mold. The wax are checked to make sure that they are free from defects and flaws like air bubble, irregularities of surface, and color. Jewelry casting is the process by which a wax pattern is made into a jewelry mold and then filled with molten metal to create a custom piece of jewelry. It's also called lost wax casting because the wax is always lost during the process of making jewelry. Each diamond is strictly checked for continuity of cuts, carat, clarity and color. All diamonds are quality checked many times before they are set into the ring. Once a suitable diamond is chosen, the jeweler can set the ring. Experts file the sides of the diamond to make sure that the diamond can sit absolutely in its setting. Once the diamond is ready, the piece of jewelry are going to be glossed and polished to realize a vivid luster and sparkle.
ये निकल रहा है उसमें से निकल रहा है।
This is a sample and we are making a new one. That's yellow gold and this is rose gold.
They might have given the sample.
Yeah. So what make it yellow?
Welding is a non-contact process in which light energy is used to weld the precious metal to themselves. The heat used in the laser welding process is very localized. After welding, it results in a seamless, undetectable work zone that is not discovered in any way. Jewellery polishing using wheels and bits charged with abrasive compounds, the polishers shape and contour surfaces. Rhodium plating is used to enhance the luster and durability of metals such as silver and white gold and gives a smooth, shiny finish to the jewellery. It is especially attractive when used for diamond rings, as it can really enhance the brilliance of the diamond. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and also like and share with your friends.